So let's try again. Good morning, everyone. I'm Valentine. Just a small introduction to get known to each other. Yeah, I'm doing some kind of daytime speculation on the market. So here from Monday till Friday, I will do a small review, the morning review of pairs that I'm trading during the day. And yeah, this is it. It's gonna be for like 15 until 20 minutes each day. And today we are going to start from weekly time frame as much as we have a new week. So, 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 what? Let's clear all the drawings. Yes, is there a voice? Sorry. Yes. Oh, my mic. Probably you didn't heard me. Oh, that I'm I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but okay. So, uh, I hope guys you heard everything what I said. My mic was a bit far away, but that's fine. That happens. Okay, so uh, weekly weekly time frame. So what do we have? So Dixie. As usually, we are starting from Dixie, the dollar index, because I'm doing the Euro USD. So that's why. So as we can see, we already grabbed the liquidity from here, the buy side. Now, so that's what the previous week did, and we did the close in here and made a weekly imbalance that weekly. So yeah, okay. Then on weekly we have here some kind of compression, if I can say so. But yeah, here we got a sweep as well. So now we did a sweep in here and in here, so we probably need to come back to grab some of these liquidities, but yeah, that's probably gonna happen in a month, I believe. So we're probably gonna go somewhere here, somewhere lower, maybe even lower, and then so yeah, something like this. But that's like the weekly plan, so that could take months or even two. It depends how the price will react on everything what it was. So daily, what do we have in daily time frame? Here we have one daily imbalance, daily. Now here one small volume imbalance, as well as in here. We can't forget about it because the volume imbalances they could have a reaction even after 3 or 5 times retest, so that's also matters. Um, as well, we got a reaction on the daily imbalance the last week. Yeah, here one daily. Yeah, so yeah, nothing nothing new. Okay, okay, okay. So if consider that the last day we got a short candle and we did only a small test of the daily imbalance and got a good reaction, good sell back. So I I would say that we could probably today reach reach uh, these 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 plays. So we got it in here, a daily imbalance, right? The daily imbalance and also the volume imbalance. So yeah, what I would consider today is to see the candle like this, so like somewhere here. I know, yeah, the last day was short, but I don't expect that we're gonna go much lower than here, because yeah, there, but still there is a weekly imbalance now, and this week formed it. So of course that's possible that we're gonna go lower to retest to like 0.5 threshold, and then maybe from there we will go on the test. So that's like the two scenarios what I would consider, and that's probably also gonna take a few days, because yeah, probably the like for today. So we always have two choices. So we are go up or we go down or we go straight to the right. Only this what I can say. Next, okay, let's go lower on 4 hours. So what we can see at 4 hours, we also have a similar 4 hour imbalance in here, and and we can see already we got the reaction of the retest of the volume imbalance and the 4 hour imbalance. So and Asia already did the small sweep in here, as I can see. Yes, it was. Yes, it was in here. Okay. Okay. So also London this here we got another 4 hour imbalance. We got a test of this also. Yeah, let's remove this to not have too much noise in here. So as we can see, that was probably the liquidity in between the sessions. So of course, I no, that was already Asia. Okay, we got it open here. Yeah, okay, that was in Asia, but we did a small sweep. Or Frank already open. Okay, yeah, probably I'm gonna wait until the London opens, and then so as much as we have some kind of downtrend now, it is already formed. So here we can see, yes, yeah, if we go at 4 hours, that there will be less noise, and yeah, you can see it better, but still. So I would yeah, probably short, probably, because we still have here the equal lows. Oh shit, sorry. Opa. This. Yes, equal lows in here. So what would I wait for? So something like this. That's the first option. So we go here on the retest, and then if we go through daily, weekly open, and New York minimum, so then we go lower and use it as a fuel to go somewhere here. Or another case, yeah, we can go much higher to the place where I as I said. So it is here, even higher, the 4 hour imbalance, daily imbalance, and the volume imbalance what we have. And then if we have here reaction, then considering some entering short positions. Okay, yeah, so yeah, as much until we not have the breakout structure on 1 or 4 hours, till that time I would already only look for some short-term trades, for sure, only short. So but that was an Dixie. Let's check the euro, what the euro says. Euro weekly time frame. So what we did last week. So we grabbed this equal lows in here. Now also this liquidity was grabbed, and yeah, here nothing special. Yeah, we can mark this as a rejection block. as a rejection. So yeah, then we did the test of 0.5 threshold as it's supposed to be, and then that means that we could see some reaction from here. But yeah, mostly I'm looking at Dixie when I'm just trying to figure it out, the direction of the trend. It's easier, much easier, because first goes Dixie and then Euro goes behind them. Nice. So, so. Uh, yeah, yeah. So yeah, probably yeah here. Yeah, 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 yeah. So, what can we see? What can we see? We have a inversion of daily imbalance, inversion of daily imbalance in here, but we go through it and then go through it again. So I don't think that gonna that gonna work. But still, yeah, you never know. Here we don't have nothing. Yeah, only one daily here, and then here also. So we will mark this as a BPR. So small BPR in here. So if we go down, that we supposed to get some reaction from the zone. Probably, if we just continue. Yeah, but it's daily time frame, so it's not that much that I can say about now. Again, up or down. Let's check the lower time frames to see. Yeah, of course. I think yeah, I think that's gonna go down. So we see we are now in 4 hours 4 hour fair value gap. Oh shit, my eye, my eye. Then here nothing. Oh, okay. Let's mark this one as a volume imbalance because we still in it and we could have a reaction from here as well. So um, in here also 1 4 hour imbalance, and yeah, this is it. So the plan is probably yeah, as much. Yes, we got a reaction from here, and then 4 hours. Yeah. So if I see if I see that we went higher than this volume imbalance, and then we closed the hour or 4 hours somewhere here, so then we're probably gonna continue moving up. But for now I look at this as a small correction, and yeah, probably we're gonna test some of these, the previous day low we have here, the equal lows on 1 hour. Also some liquidity, yeah, some kind of compression, because this is not like a normal move. It looks like a compression, so I would like to see something like this. Maybe we'll resweep Asia, like somewhere here, maybe higher a little bit, and then I would like to see the test of previous day low at least, or even the 4 hour imbalance, and then yeah, and then adhere. And here we'll decide if we go through it or we get a reaction and we are doing turnaround. So that was the euro. Of course, we always can do a higher retest. So as an option, so we go to previous day high, do a deeper retest of imbalance, and then we go lower to previous day low, or we just continue going up. As well as we can not, we we could not do these tests that I said. We could just go straight from here down, and then we just can continue moving up. So there is always a lot of options, and of course we are going to consider them when we get more information on the chart. So then what we do next? We do some Get 40. We do some Get 40 at weekly time frame. Oi, 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 oi. Whoa, how weird this looks like, man. Okay, so this the last week. Last week we did a lot. We did in here, so I'll just mark it like this. Easier for me to know later. So, but as we can see, we got a weekly imbalance in here, and we didn't went lower than we supposed to. So, yeah, as you can see, oh yeah, this indicator is the wrong color. Oh yeah, weekly, like this. So, just like straight in here, we did the full fill, we grabbed the liquidity, and then probably now we're gonna go a little bit higher. I believe. But of course, you never know. We still have the targets the previous week high, and then the previous week high. So, what we can see in here, so that's already daily time frame. So yes, yeah, like look how what it was. So just straight down and up. So the previous day high was a big pin bar. Of course, I would like to see some kind of test of this rejection block. And yeah, the targets are probably it's these daily equal highs, 3 equal highs, if I can say so. And then yeah, the previous week high, as well as the liquidity, so as a buy side. So for today, like I would consider 2 options as usually. So a small retest, and then we go up here, or what we can do as well, yeah, we could just go down, just go through it, and then go lower to grab these daily. Yeah, but of course that's not for one day. That's probably gonna take a few days. But with the last week, the moves the gear did, that was insane. That there was like 1.30% of no, sorry, not 1.30. Yeah, let's take this one for example. Yeah, 1.90% move, 1.90% in one day. Or this one, look, 2.24. Is that fucking insane, guys? That's incredible. Yeah. So here, what would I do? For now is just waiting. So we are now at the 4-hour imbalance. It is in here. And yeah. Also we got the 4-hour inversion. 4-hour inversion. So, oh, why I did this here? Yeah, sorry. Okay, yeah. So and yeah, of course, yeah. Here from 4 hours, it looks like we are gonna go lower, like straight from here. if we go in 1 hour, then yeah, it is a bit tough situation, but we have here the monthly open. So I think we're gonna do a small sweep now, and then yeah, when London opens, we will get an impulse down or up. Of course, you never know, and I don't know what's gonna happen, because yeah, you can be sure in nothing while you doing some speculations on the market, so you can only ready to lose some of your deposit percent, of course, yeah. So in here 4 hours, then 4 hours FTA. Yeah, if we just look what the Frankfurt do now, and then check what can happen, and yeah, this is it. So of course, yeah, 2-3 ways to do it correctly, but of course, next and last pair, it's gold, old but gold. So weekly, still have a weekly imbalance in here, then also one was in here, but we already did the fulfill of it. So yeah, probably we are going to, yes, we are going to daily imbalance. I'm more than sure, daily imbalance here. Yeah, this one is I'm tired of this one. The gold works so bad. Okay, so we also have a order block in here, daily order block. So we can also possibly have the reaction in here. So yeah, for now, what we can see, what the Asia did is a crazy pump. It was a crazy pump, and we already, do we know? No, we don't. We don't reach this imbalance, but but what do we have? We have here one imbalance at 4 hours. Look, yes, we got a reaction. So small sell back, and then continuation of a trend. So okay, and we also left the big 4 hour imbalance in here, and yeah, this one is not formed yet. This looks like Frankfurt did the sweep, and we're gonna see the small correction now. If we go in 1 hour, yeah, we also have here an imbalance inside of imbalance inside of imbalance inside of imbalance inside of imbalance inside. So if we reach these numbers, of course, yeah, we have the previous day high in here, and a bit lower we have daily, monthly, and weekly open. So and they are all here together. So that could be a bit weirdo. So what we see, Frankfurt did the sweep. Okay, let's go like here. So what do we have? Nice setup on gold. Or that was only the liquidity grab in here. That is always possible. So gold likes to fuck you up, and it's like really easy. But as we can see, we got a good reaction in here. So yeah, what would I do? For example, if the market shift will be not earlier than here. So if we go here, that means for me, yeah, it depends how do we close this 3 minutes candle. And then we could consider entering some trade with the targets in here, with the targets of imbalance inside of imbalance inside of imbalance. So if, for example, if I do it like this, I do it the stop on the Frankfurt high, for example, and then the targets, that's the 1 hour imbalance. So 1 to 7. It looks like a good risk reward, right? Good one. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I will wait. I'm not gonna enter this now. I will wait until I see some reaction. We have here two times one inversion and one normal imbalance, and if we do the test and then close lower than here, then I would probably do a small short with 0.5% risk. And yeah, it looks like we're gonna have it. We're gonna see it. Yes. Yeah. Well, okay. So that was this is it. That was the small short review. That's what I usually doing every day, from Monday till Friday, at least when I'm trading the markets. I hope you guys took something new from the things I show you and told you. And yeah, my advice is, it's as usual, don't forget to manage your risk correctly. Don't take too big risks that you can handle. And of course, don't forget to set the right stop loss. Don't be a liquidity, be above it or under. It depends, short or long. And anyway, so thank you, and see you tomorrow. Have a good day.